Hi everyone, my name is Siddharth and on behalf of Yotta, I'm very excited to welcome you all to this broadcast. Yotta redefined the Indian data center landscape when we launched the world's second largest Uptime Institute Tier 4 certified data center, Yotta NM1 in July 2020. And today, we are about to unveil a brand new service that will redefine the high-end professional computing segment. Yes, we believe it's time to now move on from the traditional high-end expensive workstations that are used by professionals including graphic designers, movie editors, 3D designers and AI ML application developers. I have with me Mr. Sunil Gupta, co-founder and CEO at Yotta, aka the Data Center Man of India, and Sandeep Pathak, the man behind this amazing new service that we're about to unveil today. Let me not take any further time and get right to the unveiling. What say, gents? Shall we?
Sure.
All right, folks, sit back, turn up your audio, unveiling in 3, 2, and 1. All right. Hey everybody, say hello to the virtual Pro Workstations from Yotta. And now let me quickly bring in Sunil to understand more about it. Sunil, so what exactly are these virtual Pro Workstations and why do you believe that the time has now come for high-end computing users to move on from the traditional, expensive physical workstations to virtual workstations?
Sure. Sid, answering your first question, if I have to oversimplify virtual Pro Workstations, they are virtual desktops powered by advanced Citrix VDI technology, running on Yotta Enterprise Cloud, and are powered by NVIDIA's enterprise-grade virtual GPU technology. Users can simply access virtual Pro Workstations using any thin client or any entry-level computer with a basic 4G or broadband internet connection. Now moving on to your second question. Yes, the time has come to move on from buying high-end, expensive physical workstations to simply subscribe to a virtual one that matches your workload requirement. And here is a simple analogy. Businesses of all sizes have moved their critical workloads to the cloud long back. CIOs and CTOs are reducing their spend on expensive physical hardware or simply subscribing to cloud computing.
You're right.
This way, they are reaping the benefits of quicker provisioning, zero CAPEX investments, pay-as-you-use model, etc. without any compromise on performance or uptime.
True.
Now with cloud, all the hassles of maintenance and repairs just go away. You simply have watertight SLAs with your service provider to ensure that your computing infrastructure is always available to you. The professional high-end computing segment has unfortunately not been able to make the shift to cloud and reap these benefits and is still stuck probably 8 to 10 years back. But now, with the rapid advancements seen in technologies like virtualization of GPUs and desktops, it is high time that we harness their true potential and make it available to the power users. I believe that with virtual Pro Workstations, we have done just that. Zero compromise on performance that the power users expect, yet extremely easy on the pocket, great experience, and empowers the users to work from anywhere using any device, all while keeping their data secure and compliant. It definitely ticks all the right boxes.
Good stuff, Sunil. Sandeep, you being a power user yourself, know exactly what power users need. Give us an under the hood view of Virtual Pro Workstations and help us understand what technologies are at play here to satisfy the needs of these power users.
Yes, so Siddharth, if you look at segments like engineering and design, medicine research, visual computing, 3D architecture design, or working with complex 8K movie content in real time, they all need first and foremost is the extreme performance.
All right.
For this, we have tapped into NVIDIA technology. So we are using this beast,
Wow.
an enterprise grade Quadro RTX 8000 GPU, which has 48 GB high-speed DDR6 memory, delivering over 130 teraflops of deep learning performance. So be it any complex workload, 3D modeling, multi-monitor and high frame rate applications, Virtual Pro Workstations delivers brilliant performance. They need reliability and uptime. Virtual Pro Workstations come with 99.995 uptime guarantee. The entire setup is deployed in high availability mode to ensure reliability and availability. The third important thing is they need data security. Most power users, they work on highly confidential data or their customers' intellectual property, which needs to be secured. We have got them all covered. Virtual Pro Workstations are deployed on zero trust philosophy, which is never trust, always verify, with multi-factor authentication for accessing these workstations. Moreover, with the graphics visualization technology that we have deployed, the data never travels out of the Virtual Pro Workstation.
Oh, okay.
It is only the pixels that travel to and fro. So the customer's data remains safe inside our data center. And one can just control whether the users should be able to make local copies or not. The fourth and foremost thing is collaboration. So based on organization policy, multiple users can collaborate, review, edit any complex workloads deployed on Virtual Pro Workstations. So freelancers or their external agencies, contract employees can also collaborate seamlessly on these workstations. But you know what? I can do better. Let me show you a real life example of how Virtual Pro Workstations have made a big impression on a power user.
Okay.
Let's take a look.
Videos are a growing medium and they are gaining popularity across segments. Even if you keep the movie industry aside, the demand for video editing and motion graphics has seen a big surge from segments like advertising, marketing, product development, and corporate communications. You need to make a big impact? You need videos. I am Praneeth and I am the creative lead at Vimarsa Consulting based in Mumbai. I design motion graphics and presentations for our clients. I use applications like Adobe After Effects, Photoshop, Illustrator, Maxon Cinema 4D, and others. It's no secret that this requires very powerful computing hardware, and that doesn't come cheap. I am talking about high-end GPU cards, 1 or 2 multi-core CPUs, large amount of memory, fast processors, and lots of storage. In my experience thus far, and I'm pretty sure I'm speaking for my tribe, with every software upgrade, these workstations become obsolete or require major upgrades. The average life of these expensive workstations are roughly between 2 to 2.5 years. At times, when you're dealing with heavy files, the computers tend to crash, leading to project delays, and with clients breathing down their necks, this frustration is not pretty. This problem amplified itself in the pandemic. I had to shift my office workstation home. Not only did I face space issues, but the ease of collaboration with my colleagues just took a nosedive. Every time a colleague had to work further on the same file, we had to keep uploading and downloading it to keep going. In this process, created various versions of the same file. A few weeks back, I came across Yotta's Virtual Pro Workstation. These are remote virtual workstations powered by Citrix technology, running on Yotta's enterprise cloud with professional grade NVIDIA vGPUs powering them. and they are available on monthly subscription plans. At the start, I was a bit skeptical. I mean, how could a virtual workstation running out of Yotta's cloud be more efficient than a traditional physical workstation, right? But I'm so glad I tried it out. The first thing that amazed me was the simple process to access this virtual workstation. All I had to do was install a small application on my laptop, access the login page, sign in using Google Authenticator, and there you go. The Virtual Pro Workstation opens up in a new window. It didn't feel like I was using a virtual computer. Rather, it was absolutely seamless and so user-friendly. I have been test driving the Virtual Pro Workstation for the past few weeks, and honestly, I'm blown away with the sheer performance, features, and user experience. Firstly, you can install most of the popular applications in it, just like you would do on any regular Windows computer. The performance is mind-boggling. Having worked on multiple video projects on this, I can confidently say that the experience is much better than my traditional high-end workstation. Even long video files get rendered like this. Collaborating with my colleagues is now a breeze. They simply log in remotely after I am done, review the files, edit it, and save it. No more sending files back and forth. Another cool feature of this workstation is that it comes with unlimited data transfer bundled in. So you can upload from and download into the Virtual Pro Workstation as much as you want. And yes, even if your local laptop's internet connection goes down, the remote workstation is always on and keeps performing any task you have set on it. You can simply re-log in when your connection is up. And I'm finally glad to say goodbye to a lot of things. Buying expensive workstations, maintenance and upgrade hassles, compromising on performance, and missed deadlines. And I'm delighted to welcome extremely powerful workstations on a monthly subscription, seamless collaboration, enterprise-grade data security, access from anywhere using any device, happy clients, and peace of mind.
Wow, that is one happy power user. So Sunil, now let's finally address the elephant in the room. What are these SKUs and how much do they cost?
Sid, we understand that the needs of these power users will vary depending on the kind of application they run.
True.
To accommodate a wide range of these workloads, we have an extensive range of SKUs starting from 2 vCPU, 4 GB memory, 100 GB storage, 2 GB GPU memory, all the way to 24 vCPUs, 288 GB memory, 500 GB storage, and 48 GB GPU memory.
Nice.
All these plans are available on a monthly subscription model, and the plans start at just about 7,000 rupees per month.
Wow, that is so cool, guys. I'm definitely getting one of these for myself. Thanks, Sandeep. Thanks, Sunil. I'm sure our viewers are very excited to learn about the Virtual Pro Workstations, the perfect alternative to traditional high-end expensive workstations. Thank you all for joining this broadcast. If you'd like to know more about the Virtual Pro Workstations, please visit our website www.yotta.com. Take care and stay safe.